Okay. Yo, are we live? Hey, gamers. Oh, God. What's up, gamers? I have a feeling my Firefox is just dying in the corner over here. God, this is just... Okay, Okay, is it working? Should be working. Hello? Okay. I'm gonna turn down my mic a little. Actually, it's probably fine. Let me go advertise my crap. That's gonna break if I do that. Okay. I'll just move this over here. Guys, I'm such a good live streamer. Okay, let me just plug my crap everywhere. That sounds bad. Okay, Apparently the bitrate is low. Oh yeah, I got 0 viewers. Okay, I've probably plugged myself in enough servers now. Alright, I'm in the wrong VS Codium tab. This is the one that I want. I'm just gonna ignore that. Okay, yeah, the berry is like really bad. Let me attempt at fixing this. That's definitely not gonna fix it. Okay, so what functions do I need? Is the bitrate okay? The bitrate is fine? Okay. I'm just very worried about it. Because bitrate is very important. Like, you can read the text. Because it's kind of useless if you cannot read the text. Just zoom in a bit. Command plus plus. I don't know what that would be on. That's too zoomed in. I don't know. It feels too big. Control plus, okay. Okay, so is that where it was? That's probably where it should be then, right? I guess. But then I can only see like 40 lines of code at a time. Like if I do like way out here, I can see like 50. Yeah, I'm basically famous. I have a subscriber. Not to flex or anything. I'm just gonna be very sure that I'm not screwing myself over with this bitrate. I'm very paranoid. The final game? Oh yeah, it might compile with errors right now, but you can't touch the red circles. But yeah. This is kind of all it is right now. I'm trying to make a way of doing more complex levels. I should have the circles be birds. So it's just about like being terrified of birds then. So it needs a center. It needs a This bitrate is not good, by the way. This is a bad bitrate. Let me see. Let me just make sure it is. I mean, it's not horrible, I guess. I should become polymers? What would that entail? Getting like a bowl cut or whatever? Becoming that one guy from the Lorax movie? I know he doesn't have a bowl cut anymore, but still. I don't care, to be honest. Okay, so what are all of them gonna have in common? It's probably gonna be this, this, and this. Like these four. I kind of want to make that a component. That's kind of a pain, but that should really be a component. No, I don't really want to use a similar art style, to be honest. I kind of just want to use my art style. It would be... So I need... I'm always gonna need the center of where I want them to go. Vector 2, I'll just store this in. I don't really want to do that, that's kind of bad. Where else am I gonna get that from? Yes, these games look good, but like, I wanna do my art style, you know? I think that should really be what it is, right? And then... Okay. I really need to go in here and just put in I'll just do this in. This is what we do here. We just add new things on the fly to things I've released and still haven't fixed the bugs in. We'd love to see it. Okay, well, I think I do need this stored in here just because it's really useful to have. Is that fixed? That means I need to go look at my password. 1 second. I'm just gonna push all my fixes in the ECS over to the GitHub because I might as well. One second, I'm just fixing this. Oh, okay, I have 0 viewers again. Love to see it. almost working, I think. I just lost viewer retention here. Okay, well there we go. I pushed my changes to GitHub, and this is the fixed one. I have to go to user, don't I? User. Okay, so that's fixed now, which means, well, first off, it means I need to put these functions somewhere else because this is not the place for them. I guess the speed shouldn't really be a component because I'm modifying it. Oh, greetings, Storval. Indeed, urine and feces. Indeed, quite a gamer move. Okay, this needs to be systems.c. I have to remove it from there. And here. The game is good. I'm working on a system for levels right now. I'm pretty sure if I'm correct, the game will not compile right now if I ran it as well, so that's cool. I really need to just do this. This has become more and more of an issue over time. I forgot about freaking MG engine. Okay. Is that all of them? Level, manager, spawn func systems, and main. Okay, it's quite the ASMR stream. Do I have to like turn down the gain on my mic? Is it like really bad? I can try and fix this. One sec. Is this more reasonable? I really don't want it to be an ASMR stream. To be frank. Okay, well, I'm back down to 0 viewers, so it doesn't really matter, does it? Okay, well that's good. Let me like put on some fucking lo-fi, 'cause I'm a basic YouTuber. By the way, I don't know why it's... Oh my gosh, he made... Oh my gosh, guys. Reese made his dream game? Oh my gosh, I've never heard of that happening. I can't believe that happened. Is this like really loud? Let's turn this down. There we go, that's what I wanted to do. I know, right? I can't believe he made his dream game. We combined our dream open world indie games? That's so crazy. I can't believe he did that. Whoa. I know, everyone's making their dream game. I'm not making my dream game. I don't have a dream game anymore. My dreams are crushed by capitalism. You remember when Freddy first did that? Hasn't he been doing that like since he started? Let's see. Hasn't he been doing that for like a year? Well, okay, let's see. No, he is not. Well, the first grapple vlog was like over a year ago. But... Oh, I forgot about fucking Gatling. I forgot that was a thing. Yeah, I remember that video though. No. So true. Truly, just galaxy brain take right here. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, you finally got some research about data-oriented design that isn't just interesting. Yeah, most ones I've seen are exactly that, so that is sort of odd. There's like a book that someone made about it, than that. I do think that like a lot of people that it's data-oriented design. It's like a thing that's basically only useful in game development, if we're being honest. But it is quite useful in game development. My game is in data-oriented design, so. But honestly, I think you can kind of mix paradigms. Like my level system that I'm working on right now is pretty heavily influenced by some patterns I picked up from Haskell. You know, I think people are way too like strict about what paradigms you can use within one program. Like, is that not how it's pronounced? Is it paradigm? Paradigm, guys. Paradigm. 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 Paradigm, yes. Oh, that's actually how it's pronounced? Really? Paradigm? I guess that makes sense. English is such a dumb language. Okay, I need to turn on this music. I can barely hear myself talk. Make an angry face. So angry, guys. Almost as angry as I am when I vote for with dead people names. That's probably not a joke. I shouldn't fix that. It's fiddly for that. I don't have any water. I'm getting thirsty. Okay, so I figured out how I want it to be used, right? Mimigi. Yeah, Mimigi. That's how it sounds supposed to pronounce, right? It's weird. My stream doesn't show that I have any concurrent viewers right now. Like it shows it shows I'm on 0 viewers, but clearly I don't have 0 viewers because there's people in the chat, which just proves that it proves something probably. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna actually run my program. I have a feeling my program is not gonna run just because I've moved a lot of things around. Okay. Um. Do I still not have it included? Okay, well that's why. Okay, I'm surprised that that didn't give me a compiler warning. Yes, game over. Okay. See? This should work now. Okay, it works fine. I'm fine with that then. Bullet Heaven? Oh my gosh, guys. Working on the first Bullet Heaven game in 24 hours? Story time? How I made my dream Bullet Heaven game? Oh no, is the audio bad? Oh no. Oh no, is the audio bad? Oh no. Make my dream game that wrong? The entire chat just devolved. I got MrBeast to play my dream game. Is it actually his birthday? Okay, so I wonder is I want to have this timer and stuff managed by the actual manager thing. I guess I should actually like. I think these are all the functions I need. Actually, no, I need one more. This one doesn't have a GitHub repo. It just has Git on it. do that. Oh my god. My dream game in 12 hours, but it's in 4K. 5-minute game jam was just on Steam. Debug 0 to 0. Oh my gosh. Think of the views. The views would be insane. Yeah, my really funny. Get it, guys? Get it? Because it sounds like sex. Get it? It's funny. I'm so funny. But that's the ECS I use. It's my own ECS. I'm surprised that didn't give me a compile warning for just using functions that aren't defined. Yeah, it's like it's stupid simple entity component system. But yes, that's almost exactly what it stands for. It's very minimal because it just is. Everyone is getting this weird coloring. Is it like a coloring book? Oh, everyone's parentheses coloring is? Sounds very important. I'm just gonna start like committing after doing anything. Really? I don't think mine are different though. I think mine have always just been white. Might be in the new VS Code update. I would think I'd have already like, I mean, I don't know if VS Codium is different, I guess. So how I want this to work, so I want to just say, I want to have like a level, and I'll just say start level. And then when it's done, I just want to say end level. All my friends use the software I use within EM. What's the other? There's no other one that does that. That like VS Codium is the only other one that I can think of, and it's literally exactly the same. It's just a bot that forks all the updates from VS Code to be under a less restrictive license. Oh, I'm an idiot. Bro, why don't you just use Firefox? Yeah, I used to use Brave, and then I started not using Brave because it turned out they were stealing a lot of data from their users. If I remember correctly. Okay, this should be all the functions I need. So this is like what I want to do. I don't know. I mean, I feel like the dream game thing has kind of gotten so oversaturated that even if someone does have a dream game, they're not gonna like they're not going to like say I'm working on my dream game because it's just no one cares anymore. But yeah, I think it has the people who still do it definitely are a lot less genuine, I feel, than a lot of people who did it like way back and like I haven't even been in the scene for that long, but even like I guess like 10 months ago or so, I guess. I mean, yeah, like I can't think of any game developers that are like any like notable game developers that are like actually working on their dream game right now. Uh, Well, yeah, I guess he's still doing it. Yeah, DevDuck is still doing that, so I guess there's that. So I don't know, like I'm trying to think of any that are like that like still upload relatively frequently that isn't like DevDuck. Like yeah, that used to be everywhere for sure. And it's just like you never see that, I feel like now. Like it's all or like if you'll hear like making my dream game, but it's not gonna really be like super genuine. I feel like Bargy obviously does this a lot. I guess well good guess I wouldn't say he's working on his dream game. Well, I guess he made a video a few months ago called "Why My Dream Game Is So Fun to Make," but yeah, exactly. Like I feel like that's why they might become less common is because people have maybe become a little bit more aware of the fact that because because it's your dream idea, no, almost nothing you could possibly make will live up to that vision in your head that you won't be able to get out of your head, right? And I think that's kind of why that whole ideology is kind of toxic to an extent. I could be totally off here though.
I want to know how many people are dead.
Yeah, exactly. Because it's like, that's like, I'm sure a ton of new game developers do this. I did this. We all know I did this all the time. When, like, everyone did this all the time when they were just starting. It's like, they're like, I'm gonna make my dream game. And they try to make it a gajillion times and they never can do it. Because nothing they can make at that stage could possibly, they just don't have enough skill to make that. Because they just started, and that makes them get even more demotivated. And I feel like a lot of people give up on making games. Oh yeah, that's very true as well. Yeah, I'm working on my dream bullet hell game and see. Yeah, but this isn't a game that I'd like to play. Like, I don't actually like playing bullet hell games very much. I just wanted to make one. I'm not renaming the stream. No. I'm not doing it. Also, I feel like a lot of dream games are just... Okay. Well, that's... I'm just gonna say clickbait. I'm just gonna start gaslighting my audience. I hate you guys. Well... Thank you. This text is just huge. This text is so long. This text needs to be... second. I feel like it needs to be a little bit less big because it makes it. I guess you're not really looking at the terminal. It's not really very important. Working on my dream. Wait 1 second. Let me add a bunch of tags so I can get more views. Dream game. Devlog gone wrong. Prank. I'm gonna get a report for misleading metadata. Unity, Godot, Unreal Engine made. I've not seen Farty's rough paragraph. I just gave myself a ton more clout by just sacrificing my integrity. Easy. Yo, yeah, I just got... Oh my gosh. It's about what the... That's so horrible. That paragraph is just death right there. That's a paragraph of doom. I'm just gonna shove that in my description. Okay. One second. I need to put something in my description. I should just copy and paste. Because that just makes me exactly as lazy as all these people. I feel like I'm gonna get caught out for doing... It's almost fully deployed. Hee. Oh, I'm just so mischievous. You guys can't stop how mischievous I am. Oh, I'm just so mischievous. You can't stop. Can't stop me. I added another line too. This is so. This is the worst paragraph. Makes me want to get some bleach. Um, He's just having an existential crisis over there. He just can't take it. God, I missed a DM. Oh my god. Why? You just can't take it. He went over to the Earth Discord and asked me to explain, and I can't tell him anything. It's just the natural progression of things, man. Oh, he posted the Fluffy Potatoes server. Why? I did see the image. It is very relatable. Is this Minion Jesus? What's that even from? Oh, hello. Someone actually showed up from all the places I spammed. All the places I spammed the link. It's just proves that self-promoting is always a good idea. Hello. I'm just trying to figure out how to do this. Is there any, like, oh, one way of doing this. I did promote in party server. I've promoted in like 10. Maybe more than that. I just like shoved it everywhere. Okay, so I think this has to be included in the level though, because this is not going to increase at a constant rate. Would I recommend learning Pygame? If you're really comfortable with Python and you like using Python, honestly, I would recommend just like as far as I know, Raylib has some pretty decent Python bindings. Like Pygame is cool if you want to do like a subset of specific things, but like I feel like Raylib is just a lot better than SDL for a lot of things, and that's really what it comes down to is Raylib versus SDL. Because why would you use Pygame when you can just use the Raylib bindings to Python? Yeah, but it's just like kind of, it's not something I really enjoy, so I can't really, like, I don't really like using SDL much, to be honest. And just in terms of performance, like, hi Farrell. Well, Raylib has a pretty decent community, at least. Like, they have like 15,000 people in their Discord. But yeah, I mean, obviously I'm super biased towards Raylib, so I can't really give a super unbiased opinion here. I would recommend Raylib if you like really want to do like game development stuff. If you want to do like stuff with like algorithms, I feel like SDL can be better though. Yeah, hello Barrel Man Dev 64. 15k? They just had, oh, was it 5k? I might be an idiot then. I might be a big dum dum. Yeah, use Vulkan, of course. Yeah, I like Raylib a lot. Obviously, I just sort of like how it works, and it feels very intuitive to me. But yeah, I think it was. Was it 5K? I know they. Well, it might have been 10K. They hit. No, it was a 5K game jam in like April 1st or whatever. Like it was like way back. It was like March. They hit 5K. They're probably like 6K. Can I see that? Is there a way of seeing how many members? They're about like 51. They're like 5.5K, which I guess isn't that much compared to like the fluffy potato, which is like basically the the pie game community. Yeah, pie game's cool bit of software. It's just not something I would ever really want to work with, just due to a lot of things like Python not being really a language that I would ever really want to make a game with. For some reason, I thought the game jam was for like 10 or 15K with the Raylib thing, and it was not. Because that's really what has to happen. Like, that's the only way I can think of doing this in a fast way. It's just to store it. They're just out here, like, letting them, let me just move these back. Let's move back another. Barrelman apparently hates Link. I'm just trying to figure out what is really needed here, because, like, there's a lot of stuff I'm realizing that I don't know how to do without just storing a lot of this stuff globally, which, it's not really an issue, just throw, like, an extra 8 bytes. I don't care. Well, no, I can easily get that, actually. It's just this, it should be... This is like an O of N operation. Which is not great. Yeah, like an old man. I feel like I'm actually just better off storing this, because I just have to do a lot more to not store this, honestly. Because this only needs to be done once. That should work. I really wanted to get this level system working. I'm probably not going to get it working. Mid Mario? There's a lot of people who would probably like burn you at the stake for saying about their king. Dorval's about to. I'm like a freaking prophet out here, just predicting what Dorval's gonna say. Bro, Mario is not mid. In Odyssey, Mario gets to be naked. So. Yeah, I like Metroid, so. I mean. Bro, you just called Samus a boy. Samus is a girl. Get your facts straight. SMH my head. Bro. How have you not realized that Samus is a girl? Zero Suit Samus is in Smash. No, they're literally. Bro. I'm just gonna DM something to you. Okay, yeah. If you look up Zero Suit Samus, you get some interesting images. So I'm not actually gonna DM that to you. Jesus Christ. But no, Samus is not. I knew I'd get called out. Bro. Dorval, you told me to do it. You said no one would care. Dorval lied to me. He told me it'd be fine. It's not fine. The title is a joke to lure in sad individuals. I don't really have a YouTube channel. I need to increment that. And then it's just like a bunch of vaguely sexual images of Zero Suit Samus. Like, there's literally 0 1 there. Just like, if you look up Samus without her suit on. Uh, when am I gonna make a 2-player puzzle platformer? That's really specific. I don't know why you asked me that question. Yeah, my dream was. That's really weirdly specific, and I don't know why you asked me that question. Mark's game development puberty, bro. I just don't want to make that, so I'm not going to. Um, I really don't need this anywhere else, do I? I guess it could be useful to have in here. I do remember that. Because there's all the themes are like connected or whatever. Like something stupid like that. You are the player? Yeah. What was the... I don't remember. What was the last one? It was like Delay the Inevitable, and there was a rant on the Fear server that I had where I just like screamed about how much I hated it. That was a thing back in April. I was enraged. I was so excited. And it instantly like just... Let's see. Almost all of them are, yeah. Almost all like game jam themes are like, it's just, hey, what if we join two objects together? That's a really cool and novel idea. Yeah, of course, because it's like one of the themes that could have gotten it for like Ludum Dare 50 was it was overgrown. One second. It was overgrown, right? And I guess I'll just do that. Yeah, everyone makes the same game because it's like it's just telling you what kind of game to make. It's not like something that can be interpreted in different ways, which I think is something that way more game jams need to do. Because like if you can interpret something in a lot of different ways, then you're going to get a lot of different types of games, obviously, and otherwise you're just going to get like one game idea that everyone is just trying so hard not to make that like half the games are going to be. Like with Delay the Inevitable, obviously 90% of them are going to be about like a player that is going to die in 30 seconds, so you have to get to the end fast or whatever. Like obviously that's just going to be like what like 90% of people do because it's just that's what it's telling you to do. But like it's like a speedrunny type game, and it's like people freaking lose their minds over making speedrunning type games. Yeah, at least that's aware that it's a mechanic. Well, what Fear Jam done, the Fear Jams do is they make the theme this season, and then they also include an optional mechanic, which is better because at least like spring is something that can be interpreted. Spring means different things to different people, so you're probably at some point going to get some interesting interpretations of the theme of spring, right? That especially if they use like the optional mechanic. But what I see like in like tons of games, like they're not the best by any means, obviously, but they're definitely not the worst. The worst is probably like Ludum Dare. Like, how many game jams have had, like, the theme of, like, you are the enemy or something, like, similar to that? Because there's, like, a gajillion, obviously. I think what I want to do instead is like spring can be like eggs and bees and bunnies and like It's definitely not the best, but it's like, it's better than freaking delay the inevitable, guys. Haha. Can't wait to see how many games you guys can make about bombs. I don't know, I just think of eggs, I guess because the Easter Bunny. Haha, grow eggs, really funny. I really want to create a visual editor for this because there's just so many, like, I want it to be like absurdly customizable. What am I doing? What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. What's up, batches? It's a really bad joke. This gives me like the most control I think I could possibly have here. I guess the only other thing I could do is make this speeds also. I think I always want those increasing though. I don't think there's a reason to make it not make the automatically speed increasing. Well, I could do this. Okay, what I'll probably do is I'll probably make this. This is so stupidly over-engineered. But it does give me a lot of control, which I want for these levels because I. Haha, haha, guys. You should increase the speed of these, not haha. Haha, over engineering, how cool. Yes. Um. Oh yeah, lonely flout. Lonely flout. Yeah, that's probably still true. I don't really know very many people in game development, by the way. Sorry, I wasn't really reading chat. I was trying to focus on actually getting the freaking game finished. Bro, I wasn't destroying you, it's just true. Um... Okay, what would be involved in ending a level? Okay, I'm so scared. I'm gonna get quoted in FNAF. Oh no, I'm just freaking terrified. Oh, you're gonna go? Okay, see ya. I'm gonna end this stream.